Hello students. Today we will do exercise 6.5 and very important question begins from question number 13. So we will start with question number 13. The whole exercise is based upon Pythagoras theorem. So is this question. So in this question number 13 you are given a right angle triangle ABC and this angle C is equal to 90 degree. And 2 points D is given on AD and point E is given on BC. You are required to prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Children, you know the hint to prove the question is within given and to prove only. Focus on to prove and use given, then only you are able to prove a question. This is the simple technique of solving the question of geometry. So children, as you want AE square will be taken from this triangle ACE. So you will take triangle ACE, and in this triangle C is right angle, therefore Pythagoras theorem can be applied. Therefore the square of the hypod, that is AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. And now you have BD square. So BD you can get from right angle triangle CBD. So in triangle CBD, BD square is equal to CD square plus BC square. In to prove, these two are added, AE square plus BD square. So let's add these two. So if you will add, you will get AE square plus BD square is equal to CA square plus BC square plus CE square plus CD square. Now see again the right hand side of to prove. In right hand side you need AB square. So AB square can be calculated from right angle triangle ABC. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That's why I have written AC and BC together. So AC square plus BC square can be replaced by CA square. Now we are left with CD and CE. So see CD square plus CE square in this small right angle triangle CDE. CD square plus CE square is equal to DE square. So in place of CE plus square plus CD square, you will write DE square. And now let's move to the next question. Now this is question number 14, and in this question number 14 you are given a triangle ABC. So this is a triangle ABC in which you are given AD is perpendicular to BC in such a way that DB is 3 times CD, BD is 3 times CD, and you have to prove that twice of AB square is equal to twice of AC square plus BC square. So children, we will start from triangle ADB because we have to get AB square. See in to prove, you want AB square, to you will find out AB square just by getting a triangle, applying Pythagoras in a triangle from where you can get AB square. So you will take right triangle ADB and you will apply Pythagoras theorem in it. So you will get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Then again be focused on to prove. In to prove you don't have AD in right hand side. AD is not there. In place of AD you have AC. So what you will do is you will write down AD as AD is square. Apply Pythagoras theorem in it. This is perpendicular, this is hypot, and this is base. This is perpendicular, this is hypot, and this is base. So perpendicular square is equal to hypot minus base. Therefore AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. So in place of AD you will be writing AC square minus CD square plus BD square as it is. Now children, if I write this BD this side of CD, then this will become BD square minus CD square. So in one bracket I can write BD minus CD, and in other bracket I will write BD plus CD using the identity A square minus B square. Now BD plus CD, see from the figure, BD plus CD. BD plus CD is BC. So in place of this bracket, you can write BC. Now to get BD minus CD, we will just look at given. What is given? This will help you in getting solve this bracket. So BD is equal to 3CD. If you see from the figure, BD plus CD is equal to BC, and BD is given equal to 3CD. So in place of BD, I can write 3CD. 3CD plus CD, that means 4CD is equal to BC. That means CD is equal to 1/4 of BC. CD is equal to 1/4 of CD. Now BD is 3 times CD. So 3 times CD, this is 3 times CD. 3CD minus CD, that will become 2CD, and the value of CD that you have calculated from here, 1/4 of BC, if you put it here, it will become 1/2 BC square. So now you are left with AB square is equal to AC square plus half BC square. AB square is equal to AC square plus half BC square. Now to remove the denominator, what will you do? You will multiply the whole equation by 2. Multiply this whole equation by 2. So when you multiply the whole equation both the side by 2, it will become twice AB square is equal to twice AC square plus BC square. So I hope you are able to understand this question. These questions are important questions from the exercise. We will meet in the next video. Till then, all the best.